Morning everybody, happy 22nd of December. I'm getting so excited now. I wonder if I'm on Santa's naughty or nice list. We all know what the answer is to that, but we're not going to say. Join me the other side of the intro and let's have some Karen's crazy Christmas fun. You ready? Hit it, maestro! Oh dear me, I'm getting super excited now. I'm super nervous that I'm on his naughty list, but never mind. Right, so then let's have a look. So where's my chocolate? There, all the doors are open and I can't see number 22. So there we have him. Oh, he's a teddy bear. Oh, he's a teddy bear with a scarf on, and he's nice and fat because I like fat chocolate little bits because they're tastier. Delicious. That was delicious. Right, shall we see what bauble I've got? So let's have a look. This is so light now. And we have got, oh, this is really nice. It's like a pink blush. That's the best way. A blush pink with there's like a satin sequin bow. Isn't that pretty? Little mini bauble. I love those. I'm going to have to count them up after and see if I've got the same amount of Mickeys as I've got minis. That'd be lovely. Right then, and out of my cauldron crate box, I've got one more pouch. I wonder if I've got any more. I haven't put these yet on my bracelet, so I don't know if they're all going to fit because I've had that many charms, haven't I? I'm guessing that's what this is. Unless it's a pirate's swag. Don't think there's much chance that. No, it's not. Right, so I have got, no, see, I really like this. I have got a wand, and on my Harry Potter park bag, I've actually got a wand that I bought that's a key charm from Disney Japan. So yeah, I love that. I have then got, ooh, it's a potion bottle. But what's a bit strange is it's in gold, and so far I've only had two things in gold. So I've had that one and I've had the time turn. Everything else has been silver. And then I have got the owl. And is the owl Hufflepuff? I think it might be. I don't know. Tell me down below. So yeah, I could be completely wrong. So those are the three out of my cauldron crate. So it's been a great way to really build a little charm bracelet. So lovely, lovely. Right then. So in today's video, I thought we'd open some pins. Do you fancy opening some pins? Shall we open some that you might not have ever seen ever before? I'm naughty, aren't I? I am really naughty. So, pin board, and my pin board's always down in the description, and this was from Grain Crafters, and they gifted me this, and it's so that I can zoom in and out on the pins. Are you ready for this? At the same time, I got the Shanghai summer pins, you know, the one where I've got a hole in one. I'll link it here. I'm not saying any more than that. You have to check it out to see what I meant. But I also got some pin trading fun day ones, and there's 8 pins in the set, so I've got 3 boxes because there's 3 in each box, and these are all the characters I can get. So who are they? 7 dwarves. Yeah, I'm not going to try on my Minnie, Daisy, is that Vanellope, a green man, is it the Marshmallow? What's he called? Marshmallow, I think he is. And then he's the baddie out of the bar in Rapunzel. I didn't do too bad, did I? So I've got 3 boxes with a chance of getting a full set. So can you believe I had all of these and I've not opened them? Really, I've been saving them for you. And do you know what? Oh, that's awful. There's only 2 in these boxes. I thought there was 3. Oh yeah, look, there's 8. Look, there's 8 in the set and 2 in a box. So I can't do it. I thought there were 3, but there's only 2. Oh well, should we see which 6 we get? Because it's not like I can go back and get any more now, is it? Unless I go on eBay and pay an arm and a leg and everything else. So what have I got? Let's have a look. Oh, I've got Daisy. She doesn't want to come out the bag though. It must be a bit cold. Oh, and she's got travel bags. Oh, that's really cute. No, she's got all of her travel bags there. So like a suitcases. Isn't that a lovely pin? So next pin. It's a baddie out of Tangled. I don't know what his name is. He looks like a bit like a mime artist, doesn't he? So that's him. Right, new box. Right, new box. What's in this one? I had all the look before, didn't I? So I've got another Daisy, so that's no good. Who else have I got? Who else? I've got another mime artist. Shall we have a bet that this 3rd box is a duplicate of the first 2, shall we? Go from all the luck to no luck, don't I? So, got this feeling. No, we've got Minnie this time, so that's okay. And she's got her luggage like Daisy. And do you know what's funny? Do you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of me and Dana when we went to the pin event. And all the luggage we had. So, yeah, love that, love that. And so what is the last one? Will it be different or the same? Oh well, I've got another Daisy. So I didn't do so well that time. I only got 3 out of the 8, but never mind. But they're different pins, aren't they? Hope you enjoyed that. Didn't have any luck at all, did I? Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button coming at the end of the video. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. I will. Bye for now, everyone. Bye for now. Bye.